Why does that food.setter in Python not work for me? So, I'm playing with decorators in Python 2.6, and I'm having some trouble getting them to work. Here is my class file. What I thought this meant is to treat X like a property, but call these functions on get and set. So, I fired up idle and checked it. Clearly the first call works as expected, since I call the getter, and there is no default value, and it fails. Okay, good, I understand. However, the call to assign t(x equals 5 seems to create a new property x, and now the getter doesn't work. What am I missing?
You seem to be using classic old-style classes in Python 2. In order for properties to work correctly, you need to use new-style classes instead. In Python 2 you must inherit from object. Just declare your class as my class object. It works. Another detail that might cause problems is that both methods need the same name for the property to work. If you define the setter with a different name like this, it won't work. And one more thing that is not completely easy to spot at first is the order. The getter must be defined first. If you define the setter first, you get name X is not defined error.
Just a note for other people who stumble here looking for this exception, both functions need to have the same name. Naming the methods as follows will result in an exception. Instead, give both methods the same name. It is also important to note that the order of the declaration matters. The getter must be defined before the setter in the file, or else you will get a name error column name X is not defined.
You need to use new style classes, which you do by deriving your class from object. Then it should work.
In case anybody comes here from Google, in addition to the above answers, I would like to add that this needs careful attention when invoking the setter from the _init_ method of your class based on this answer. Specifically,
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.